you high when you throw it back on me. You ain't from this world, but into the galaxy. I think I'm addicted, I'm a fiend.
See, I'm looking back and I don't get it. Every single minute that we spending, every second had me feeling like the #1, but I was second. Playing with my heart, you really drag.
How much you pushing under there, bro? Wait.
How much?
How much you pushing under there, bro?
Say it with your chest.
He's whispering.
Yo, you're good. We're not even gonna make it there. We're not gonna make it there.
That's a university.
Alright. Oh my God. Yo. What's good, y'all? It's your boy Bizzy Biz, man. Back here in the city. Y'all already know what's going on. We outside. We outside with it. Good, bro. We outside.
Oh.
What's going on, bro?
We out. Fake lay, I ain't gonna lie.
What happened?
You started fake lay.
Yeah. I was waiting on these. I don't got, you know what I'm saying? Like I said, I'm on feet. I'm on feet. I don't got a car. Yo, so we about to be headed to that clean culture call me today. We'll call show. Feel me? We got Albert with us. My son Slick Vicky. Slicky Vicky. Ooh.
Look at him.
Dobby.
Over here is mad.
Dobby don't have the Audi today though. We got my son Lou. Typhoon's outside. My son Lou is outside. Lou is in the process of wrapping his car. My son doing it himself, hit him up. Feel me? But we outside, we out. We about to get going, man. We a little late, but we about to get going. We about to touch road. Let's go. I'm with Albert today. Yo, y'all didn't even get a look at his Accord. Last time they seen us, we was trying to buy the Accord.
Now we got it.
Now we got it. Yes, sir. Spec'd out how he want it. And he got the stars and the shit. Does it look like I'm in a race or not?
They wouldn't know. How would they know?
Come on, we just manifested. But let's touch roll, let's touch roll. We see you as we get closer to the destination.
Don't even. This is what happens.
I gotta get in. That's the camera car.
This is what happens when you record it.
Who's your hat now?
What happened to my hat?
Why you breaking like that for? Jeez. Lou, tell him it's under construction. I said, tell him it's under construction.
Come on, man. You know we gotta get this done.
Under construction. It ain't clean though. Quick pissed out?
Yeah.
What happened?
Great ride over here.
You wildin'.
Everything good, right?
Yeah, you good?
Yeah. Magical. I had a scary moment happen.
Yo, Lou, y'all don't gotta be hitting turns going 100, man.
Yo, I told him, I was like, yo, bro, you don't gotta make the cut on the turn.
I'm like, yeah. No, I don't know about you, but these bro. I said I don't know about you, but these two.
You know, all you got this behind Albert Road, it was mad pointless. Yo, on the bridge, right? And I was like, what? Decided to join us.
The ride looks really nice. Wait, you on live?
Yeah.
Oh no. I like that.
Nah, especially with the sun.
Nice.
Alright, final draw. Let me send the last shotty. I ain't gonna lie, I want my car to one day be in the show, man. I did my shit on bags.
What's it called? I was telling Katie, when you get your print on my banner. When you get your car, we should let us ride out over there.
I'm with it. We could do our own air.
Why don't you do a barbecue at one of the, like, not Bear Mountain, but like one
I'm
of
with
those
it.
that we have up here.
Yo, look at that Hell. That's a Hellcat? Crazy. Lou, we gotta get your car show ready.
We gotta get a
This my in the crew. Oh. Hard right here, I ain't gonna lie. You see this right here on bags? Goodness, crazy.
I think it's that's on IG.
Oh, this? Oh, that's fire. I ain't gonna front. That's a Chevy?
See, the tiger stripes.
Yeah, I don't know about the tiger stripes, but it's clean though. It's clean. Oh, he's wildin'. He left the sneakers back there. That's part of the look though. Look at this. See, that's the tank for the airbags. And it goes down. See, all these cars is on bags. That's bags. That's bags.
So they're gonna pull it up when they leave? Because I'm gonna be honest,
Yeah,
it's a
yeah.
little too low for them.
Yeah, it's for show. So when they stop, look at my family right here. My family. What's this right here? This is a Lexus?
It's a CRV.
Yo, I said the same thing, right?
That's a CRV.
This is not a CRV.
It's a Hyundai.
It's a Lexus, but with
Hyundai?
the,
Nah, it's a Hyundai.
logo.
It's a Hyundai.
It's a Hyundai.
How you know?
Because the steering wheel
Oh,
has the H
Lou,
on it.
look at your family, Lou.
Fire.
That's
That's the airlift.
Oh, nah, this is.
I wonder what's the tank in. Nah, if he does the seats this color, I wonder what the tank. Maybe on the bottom. The thing.
This thing right here. I ain't gonna lie, this is clean.
What?
I like that little silver.
Look at the badge.
Oh, nah.
ethanol.
You think it's real?
Isn't this you bought?
Nah, this one's different. I want that one though. Oh man. Look at this. Is this the one I sent you? This the one I sent you.
It's hard.
That's fire. That's the one I sent you. I'ma get it.
I ain't playing games, I got the world in my hands. I'ma make it up with my diamond shining.
Kobe, did you make this?
Got baguettes on all my shoes, Gucci powder on my shoes. Walking for the room, my niggas shoot, we let it boom. Don't try to play me, I ain't true. All my shit come with no roof. Only smoke the finest boo, shining brighter than the moon. Now I'm at the mall and I'm blowing all these bands. Hit the stage so I look cool. Never thought I'd hit the store. Never thought I would put through. Now look at me and look at you. Look at you. Niggas can't judge cause I'm up down. All I really want is a bust down. From the X, yeah, I'm really from the get down. Test me and you niggas gon' get shot down. All my niggas came from the dirt. Lost they when they put my nigga on a shirt.
I'm on the road making plays, kicking TDs in the ways. Yeah, I always play the game, yeah, I never been afraid. Tryna find my way, I be dashing all these fakes. I be switching all these lanes, I'm just tryna get paid. Tell me why these niggas always hating. I've been working hard, I've been waiting. Never stop until a nigga make it. Yeah, I never stop until a nigga make it. Tell them I'm from KB, not from Harvard. I'ma make it up with my diamond shining. Never asked for hand, I was got up and got it. I'm 19, I was fucking cautious. Stacking on my chest, yeah. Blasting, fucking knocking.
I always knew I would be great, get rid of you. Know my name, so I'm destined for the fame. Never switch, I stay the same. Stay with ATM the gang, since a young and running games. I get caught, won't say no names. I get caught, tell them niggas I'm from Raleigh.
Oh look, come here. That's cleaner, man. That's
That rims are hard. Get the rims he got.
It's clean. Oh, okay. Sorry.
Go!
Volkswagen family. You hear that shit? Shit, I like it. Watch out, you about to push. The downfall, the
Everybody
downfall.
leaving.
How we felt about it?
It was alright.
You got like an asterisk next to your opinion.
Huh?
I said next to your opinion you got an asterisk. Because some of the stuff you like, I don't want it.
You don't want it?
No, some of the stuff you like, I don't want it. It's too hot. You know what I'm saying? I don't want to walk. I don't want to do all of this.
Yeah, but I wasn't complaining.
No, I know. I'm
Oh,
not saying you complain. I'm just saying that.
Oh,
That-
asterisk, you're gonna be
Asterisk because. Do you know what an asterisk is?
well, I still don't know.
Yeah. So your opinion is biased. Oh. Go for it.
I got too much money.
How we feel? How we feel? Opinions. We have 7 people. How we feel? How we feeling? How we feeling?
It's good. I'll definitely come back.
Yeah, this was the horizon in
This is nothing
upstate.
like it's nothing like a regular car meet.
It's not.
Bro, the driving over here with the big mountain.
Nah,
Yeah,
definitely.
next time we bringing all our cars.
We got to, and we got to stick together. We have some time to go. Yeah, I'm going for the comfort.
Yo, where the drinks at though?
I'm going for the comfort.
What better eat
You got a
at though?
Patron in the back. Yo, picture, come on.
What better eat at?
Your turn. Right now. Come on. Embarrassing everybody.
I got you.
We are in
For Applebee's? Really?
Newburgh is dirty.
The only
Nah, yeah,
the
that's
only
what
time I
Joseph
drive
said,
a f***ing 20 minutes, it was
13
an
minutes
Alfred.
away. 13 minutes. Let's go to like a Buffalo Wild Wings, dude.
Buffalo Wild Wings sound valid. There's one by you. Oh, there's one in the Palisades.
Palisades Mall, guys.
There you go.
Can we go ice skating over there?
Yeah, he lost his mind.
We're going to
He lost his mind. Where are we gonna find the ice?
Bumper cars?
Where is the ice? It doesn't exist no more though.
Where is the ice?
So we the only ones who bought our cars today. Did they even see that this is you driving this? Did they see it? You.
Wait, who?
The supporters. The subscribers.
Oh yeah.
Busy family. They ain't see that you was in the daily. You had to bring out the daily today.
Yeah, cause we wasn't gonna have our cars for the show.
Yeah, the Audi is in the shop getting some new giblets. For me, it's gonna come out a new giblet.
We're gonna get changed.
My car's a long story. Hey, y'all go hear that story later on. But it's getting some giblets too. It's just been taking too long to get his giblets.
Then a new
1, 2, 3. They went.
Oh, they're not going at the same time.
Oh, they gonna roll. Alright, there you go. Honk, you go honk.
They don't get it.
No, he's trying to get them to go. He's trying to get them to go. You a very bold man. I ain't gonna lie to you, Mr. Apple Maps. My man Albert got ways. He know what he's doing.
They don't be cops here.
I don't care. Them, you know how cops are, they spawn. Yeah, 50. No, 40. 40.
One, go! Bro, what?
You're gonna smoke him, bro.
You got my start? Alright, go.
You want
play sport.
Yo, you about to come to the side.
Yeah, I'm about to hit a curve. Either y'all go or y'all don't go now. Okay, he got it. A man with this car look like he asked his mom, like he just got his license. He's like, Mom, can I use the car tonight? He's coming to eat, I ain't gonna lie to you.
Oh yeah, you putting the other window up.
He getting ready. He's putting nitrous on and everything.
Yo, can I lower the window?
He's ready. Alright,
Yeah.
nah.
Oh yeah.
Go ahead, do it. Easy. Let's go.
Oh my god.
That's
I
smart,
told
baby.
you, you would have had it.
And I got 4
if he
people in
put
my car.
his windows up. His windows up.
Got the game on lock, yeah, we on fire. Run it out so I don't get tired. Run it out so I don't get tired.
I was walking through the rain, I was dealing with the pain. Now a nigga getting paid. Yeah, you switched up, you to blame. I was lost from my way. You can't find me with no ways. I don't really need the fame. Yeah, I just want the cake. ATM, that's the wave. Yeah, Bizzy told us wait. Yeah, I'm giving all it takes. 2020 shit gon' change. 2020 shit gon' change. 2020 shit gon' change. 2020 shit gon' change. 2020 shit gon' change.
To cap it all off, the eats.
Fiberglass.
You ever been to Yard House?
Yeah, that's fire.
I never been to your house.
Baby, that's me in the mirror spot.
The eats, the eats.
Oh, we got in there. You probably.
Nah, we not going. We want Buffalo Wild Wings, no?
They got steak?
They got steak.
Yo, man, we're gonna do the spicy buffalo again. Competition.
Y'all did a competition before?
He was crying.
Y'all did the.
Friday.
We did it on Friday.
Nah, y'all do that.
He was
Crazy. Just looking at the waiter like, give me a water.
yeah, I mean, it was like 8 napkins every 5 minutes. And the last time she came with a big, she was like, dang.
Good okay.
My son crossed it.
Who?
Oh, you believe in that? Me, I crossed it.
I don't believe in it, but I just want to.
Ooh, I got a drink today. 'Cause I ain't driving.
I can get a little drink today too.
'Cause you ain't driving.
Not at all. Which I miss it. I miss being behind the wheel.
So y'all wanna go to Yard House? Oh, we can go to
I go anywhere. I go anywhere. Yeah, I made the decision. What's the two choices? Two choices right now.
Only choice is wow.
Oh, he said only choices your house.
Your house, okay.
Alright, I never been there.
Play that back, man.
Yo, I know I'm not gonna see you because you in this last drive. Good looking, bro.
See you, man.
Feel me? Any final words?
Starlight.
My guy, Lou. Bro, I'ma holla at you, bro.
More often. When?
That's
When's
a
the
fact.
next one? They don't-
I don't know, I'ma see, but I'ma keep y'all posted.
It's on IG. Okay.
Yeah, the Clean Culture page. Definitely.
Have a good night.
Yo, we gotta do this again, bro.
Definitely, bro. Man. Oh, hi, the buddy. Buddy. That's the buddy right there. Yo. So, as y'all can see, the change of scenery. We in the crib right now. And, what's wrong with the autofocus and it's snapping? I don't know what's wrong with it right now. Alright, I think this is way much better. But, yeah, we are in the crib. And it's late night, we about to KO. Today was a blast, I ain't gonna lie. I just noticed this recapping everything. I did not start the video the way it's supposed to be started. And I think the autofocus is still tweaking, so if it is, I apologize, but we just about to end this off. But I didn't start the video by stating, you know, if you're new to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Please turn on that post notification. Like the video. If you like this video, dislike the video. If you dislike it, comment, share, and again, subscribe. I'll do it for my guy Bentley. Look at him. Come on, you gotta subscribe for him. But yeah, today was a blast, man. I'm trying to work, we trying to grind. I know we haven't been dropping videos more frequently, but we trying to bring more content, something like this. So if y'all really enjoy this, like this video so I can be aware of that. If y'all didn't like it, dislike it so I can be aware of that. And of course, comment. Let's talk. Let's conversate down below. And yeah, that's it, man. Again, comment, share, and subscribe again. And yeah, I'll see y'all on the next one, man. It was a blast, man. Shout out to everybody that popped out, like on my end. Because of course they had a large crowd themselves. But like everybody that popped out on my end, like, you know, Amir, Albert, Lou, Vic, and of course the wife. Shout out to everybody. It was a blast. It was beautiful. So it's a good event. Definitely we hope to partake in more. Hopefully one day we get the GLI and the car show. I know you're probably wondering where was the GLI today, but we'll talk on that another day. So stay tuned for the next video to figure out what's going on with my GLI, because it's not all good news, I won't lie to y'all. Some bad stuff going on, but yeah, y'all find out next one. Alright, so until then, y'all be easy. One.